Hello learner, welcome to this lesson. Kanga Vemod is my name from SEMAS, CPRO e-learning management system. This is primary 7, term 3. Our theme is living together in Uganda. And our topic is economic developments in Africa. As we begin this topic, we need to get to know the new words we are likely to find in this topic. One, like you've heard, we are having economy as a new word. We are having the word development. Yes? We have the word resource. We have the word renewable. We have the word brain drain. Yes, we have the word non-renewable. Okay? And maybe economic activity. Economic activity. Have the word industrialization. Industrialization. Now, these are some of the new words. These are some of the keywords we are likely to meet in this topic. Now, as we begin, we shall begin with the major economic resources of Africa. Shall begin with the major economic resources of Africa. Major economic resources of Africa. Okay. Major economic resources of Africa. First of all, what's the meaning of the word a resource? What is a resource? A resource is anything people use to satisfy their needs. Anything people use to satisfy their needs. Okay? If you feel you have anything, you're thirsty. You feel you want to satisfy your thirst. What you use is a resource. You're naked. You feel you want to put on something.